Hi, I thought I'd just do a quick video for you to show you the new A1 Creative moulds that are now available to buy. Lots of shops will be receiving the stock this week. They're in the Netherlands, ready to ship, started being shipped out. So any of the shops who buy the moulds from A1 Creatives can place their orders now if they haven't done so already. We will be putting up a list very shortly of who has them in stock. If you can't wait, go to our list on the Facebook page and see which shops you can hassle and tell them to order if they haven't already. Or ask them to order, I should say, not tell them to order. Anyway, what you get is the mould. There's a turtle and an owl, which are both underneath here. I have laid out some casts in A1 Creatives just so that then you can see them as a full piece. I guess I'll start showing you that and then I'll go into a bit more detail of what you get in the set. Or shall I show you what you get in the set? I'll show you what you get in the set first, eh? Right, each of them has a lovely detailed stencil of the design. How do I show you that? Like that. It is very sturdy. I want to call it mylar, but I'm not sure. But it's a very strong. It'll take all your different products that you want to put through it. I don't know if you've seen my photos. I did a few practice pieces with food as well, which, as we always say, separate set for food than from your mixed media materials. But I used the owl stencil to just sprinkle some icing sugar through for a lovely cake topper, and that looked really nice. But obviously you can use it on card with paint and, you know, your usual stuff. They also both come with grey board, which the pieces just pop out really easy for that. And then you can use that for whatever, to plan out your project. Just leave it as it is. Use the different pieces in projects. Use it to draw around. All sorts of uses, up to you. You know, your creative types. So, see, pops out really easy. Oops. Never mind. There you go. So that's the owl. On the packaging, there's also a detailed print of the design, which was specially commissioned. A few of us got together and threw some ideas around, and then we chose an artist that we like his work and commissioned him to do a couple of pieces for us. The moulds are both, there's your technical details of size, oven safe, freezer safe, non-stick, perfect for A1. You obviously can use it for various other things as well. Oh, and there's my name. Yeah, I did a little poem on the back of each of them for them as well. So yeah, so grey board, stencil and mould, which I will show you when I move these casts off. And the same with the turtle. Very mucky stencil. Yours will not be dirty. I tried to clean it, but I didn't quite get it quite clean. But yeah, all the detail in there. I think you can pick that out, can't you? The light's shining on it a bit. But yeah, like I say, you know, really thick, good quality stencil. Beautifully. I want to say laser cut, I'm not sure. But yeah, all the details all popped out gorgeous. Grey board again in there. Mine's in pieces. And you can just about, oh, shall I pull it out? Look for you. Let me pull it out. Right, grey board. There we go. And there's the gorgeous turtle design. Which obviously, you know, you can keep it in its packaging, or you can take it out and use that as a nice print, which is really nice as it is. Frame the packaging. And again, all your technical details on the back. Recommending to use A1 Creatives because it picks up the detail beautifully, but other products can be used in it. And poem by me. So each of them come with a little border piece, which you can use to make a frame or border or whatever, you know, use your imagination. You can extend it or use it as is. They also come with these centerpieces, which in the mould there are just 2 gaps, so you can cast 2 of these at once, but obviously if you cast 4 of them, you then make a circle. These also fit lovely onto those bits, so you can make like a frame curve project, extend it on. The centerpiece of the turtle has a stunning starfish and some little fishies around the edge with some sort of wavy sort of sea type pattern. Beautiful, love it. One of the great things about this design and that we wanted was that they come in pieces, so it's not just one piece as a whole that you just get stuck with. It's a turtle. You can also use the parts separately for other projects. There's the base of the turtle. Just flip it around, you've got some lovely little ears. Well, that's what I see anyway. Got some monster eyes. I don't know, you know. Play with it, have fun, show us what you make. Love to see what everybody makes. And the gorgeous turtle head, which, as I say, these have all been cast in A1, and so shows off all the detail beautifully, picks it all up. Gorgeous. And the other 2 parts of the turtle, which you don't really need to see a close-up of that because I've just shown you and they're the same as the other piece that I showed you. So put that to one side, and there's the beautiful turtle mould, which, as I said, you have the head, the base, the semicircle, the inner circle, the border at the bottom. It is made from top quality silicone. Mine's a little bit dirty. I've tried my best to clean it for you for this video. But yeah, top quality silicone, really sturdy, but also incredibly flexible, which is such a bonus for all sorts of materials, for easy release. I mean, it's non-stick anyway, so you know you've got easy release coating, but I know that some people do like to be able to flex it to help with the release. But yeah, still really tough. Also, how big are they? I've forgotten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a bit inch across that way, and let's put it to the top pen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So really sizable mould. Gorgeous, love them. Owl close up. There is, oh, let me push that over to block the light. The tail or feathers of the owl. Beautiful. That slots perfectly in with the head. There's the gorgeous head of the owl, which that slots lovely just there around the neck. And then these are the centerpiece, the inner circle sort of thing, which they're sort of like mini owls, which the border, again, like I should have said that on the turtle, it's the same design in the semicircle as it is the border, which you saw that anyway, didn't you? But yeah, this all fits together beautifully again. So you can do continuation or a frame, or cast a couple of them. I shall show you the video doing them as a continued piece. Have I got that to hand? Hold on, I can reach that, I can reach that. Started doing a project here where I used the owl border. Oh, the light's catching that badly. But did it as one piece in hearty air dry clay and put it around the jar to dry, so you have an unbroken border, bandle, frame thingy, you know. Yeah. And then move that out of the way. I should have shown you as well, that was the other thing, that so you can fit them together. So you have the owl and you have the turtle semicircle, and you can put them in each other. They do all fit together, so you can swap them about. She says, but it's not on a straight surface, but it does fit in perfectly. There you go. Wobbly surface. But yeah, I've started to paint this. So you can see the stars a bit better and a bit of the detail around the edge. But yeah, that's the centrepiece from the owl. Oh, there it is, plain. Both. Again, casting A1 or, well, A1 Creatives, or this one, which is polymer clay, silver and blue, that I've started to do for a jewellery piece. Started to wire wrap it before I baked it in the oven. I just punched out some holes because there are, can you see there, little indents all the way around, so I went round with a tool and just punched them through so then I could thread some wire. But yeah, that needs more work doing to it anyway. So what did I show you? I think I showed you all that. I showed you the borders, I showed you those, I showed you that. What else? I shall do a better video with clay, but just to show you, this is some Hearty Soft. It's not Hearty Deluxe, which I do prefer, but it still picks up the detail beautifully. I'm not sure if it's the right, it might still be a little bit wet, but we'll try it. Okay, so just to put a little bit in and wobble the camera while I do it. Sorry, hope it's not going too blurry. Where's my thing? Yeah, just to show you that you can really press down on it. It's such strong, tough silicone. You can proper press down to make sure it's all in. That's not really the best way to use. Yeah. This isn't a air dry clay demonstration. This is to show you the moulds. But those that like to just super flex, you can literally flex it like that to pop it out, if that's your way of using your mediums. And yeah, it's not Hearty Deluxe, it's Hearty Soft, but still you can see all the beautiful detail it's picked up, which obviously with Hearty you can then manipulate to whatever you want. But as you know, with air dry clay you're going to have some shrinkage, whereas with A1 Creatives you won't have any shrinkage. So yeah, I think that might be everything. Keep an eye on the social medias, the A1 Creatives social media and such, and we will keep you up to date with what shops you can get it from. I don't know what else to show you really. You'll have seen some of the pictures that some of the guys have put on. There, as you can see, I've extended the border because that is the owl border, and also used the curvy bits, semicircle bits for the edges. And can I pick that up? Don't know if I can. I think I can. Even bigger frame, extend it even more, so you can make the frame as big or as small as you like. Stencil, it's a stencil, you know, you can do all sorts of things with a stencil. I stenciled it through onto some material and then I've started to embroider it, so just was able to use it as a bit of a base to then start to embroider through. Just something that we sometimes forget with stencils. We're so used to just putting paints and things through it, ink through it, and use it as a template. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. It was meant to be quicker than that, but when I start talking sometimes there's no showing me up. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you love the moulds as much as we do. and can't wait to see what you produce with them. Thanks for watching, and I hope to show you some more soon. Take care.